Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. A client admitted with a myocardial infarction has developed crackles in bilateral lung bases. Which prescription written by the primary healthcare provider should the nurse complete first? Select an answer. 1. Draw blood for arterial blood gases. 2. Place compression hose on legs. 3. Insert indwelling catheter for hourly urinary output. 4. Administer furosemide 20 mg, intravenous push. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.